God sees everything. Hey, Dad, come find me.
Okay, here I come. Elijah, where'd you go, buddy? I'm gonna find you. Elijah. Oh, there you are. I see you.
No, Daddy, you can't see me.
I can see you. Just because you can't see me doesn't mean I cannot see you. Look, uncover your eyes. See? Watch. When I cover my eyes, can you see me? So when you cover your eyes, I still see you too. You know, that's just like God. We don't see God, but He sees us. Can you see God? But God sees us all the time. The Bible says the eyes of the Lord are in every place, beholding the evil and the good. Do you remember the time you drew on the wall? Elijah, are you supposed to draw on the wall?
I'm sorry, Daddy.
Do you think God could see you doing that? Yeah, right. But could you see God? See?
Or the time I put the keys in the plug.
Yeah, that was really dangerous. God knows everything we've done.
Ooh, coffee.
He sees the thoughts and intents of our heart.
That feels weird.
And just when we think that nobody's watching or nobody can see us,
I'm thirsty. Nobody will know.
just remember, God sees everything. Yep. But Elijah, that also means that God sees the good things that we do.
I'm cleaning up the classroom, the classroom, the classroom. Cleaning up the classroom, cleaning up my mess. I love sweeping. How about when I help Mom with the dishes?
That's exactly right, Bubba. God sees everything, the good and the bad.
God sees the good and the bad.